in a previous life before I met Keith Raniere, I used to teach neuro-linguistic programming and hypnosis. Hypnosis. You know what they'll say if they know that I used to teach that.
Neuro-linguistic programming, or commonly called NLP, was created in the 70s.
NLP is a model of language patterns to create behavior change. I used it in my work with pain management, and it was very, very successful. Keith was trying to meet me for 10 years. He wanted me to train his company in neuro-linguistic programming. I decided to meet Keith Raniere. I don't even know how to describe what it's like when you meet someone like Keith. He understood the human psychodynamic in a way that I have never seen anyone understand it. He understood it and he worked with it.
NLP is a very deliberate way of conducting conversation and interacting with someone. You're matching their body language. You might even be matching their breathing. Your goal is to make your words penetrate more without the other person's knowledge or consent.
We all want to be in sync with people. We want to feel connected, and that's a feeling that we call rapport. And when we're in rapport with people, we have a tendency to feel an unconscious trust for them. In order to establish rapport, you mirror the other person. Like, if you and I are chatting and you're speaking in a certain volume, I can mirror that volume or match it.
You know, let's suppose you have someone who's sitting and thinking or whatever. Suddenly I'm closer and everyone sort of sees it, but the person who's sitting like this will feel more in touch with me like that. You know, and I can
We fall into a certain rapport when that happens. Keith was a master of that.
In many cases, NLP is amoral. It completely depends on the ethics of the practitioner.